Always struggle with duplicated data in your Excel spreadsheet? Now there's a very easy way in Microsoft Excel which you can use to show you these duplicated values. It is called conditional formatting. Let's jump in and show you. In Microsoft Excel, when you select cells on your spreadsheet, it will automatically calculate the values at the bottom, and this area is called the status bar. It gives me the average and the sum. Now the first secret is, if I right click on any of those numbers, I can add more calculations. I select them on the side and they are added to the bottom of my status bar. That is secret number 1. Secret number 2 is, if I select any values and I click once on a calculation in the status bar, I can paste it into my spreadsheet, click inside the sheet and go Control V. Let's say I select these numbers again and I'm looking at the average. I click the average calculation, click inside my spreadsheet, Control V, and I have the calculation within my spreadsheet. An easy way to copy and paste.